Hi guys, Kuya RG here. In this video, we're going to garden Ascension and Ascend for the first time. Let's go. Let's talk to Mr. Orson. Okay, by sending the requirements, we will get some good stuff. Let's see what Mr. Orson needs for now. Looks like we need a wet sugar apple and every shekel we've got. That's a smart move by the devs to balance the shekels after the bugs we had last time. I got 10 garden coins, and look, my shekels went from 50 trillion to 100. Nice one, Jandal, that's a great move. So every time we ascend, our shekels reset back to 100. So, what do you think? Will you ascend or not? Comment your thoughts down below. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Once again, this is Kuya RG. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.